To fix a Bissell vacuum that's blowing out dust, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue. There are several reasons why this might be happening. The vacuum bag is full, the filters are clogged, or the seals are damaged. To address these problems, start by emptying the vacuum bag, as a full bag can hinder airflow and cause dust to be blown out. Remove the dustbin or bag, empty it, and then clean it with water to ensure no debris is stuck inside. If this doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the filters, as they can become clogged with dust and debris over time, preventing the vacuum from sucking properly. Examine the filters for any buildup, clean them with running water, and dry them completely before reinserting them. If the filters are damaged, replace them with new ones. If the problem persists, it may be due to damaged or improperly aligned seals, which can cause air to escape and blow dust out. Inspect the seals around the dustbin, hose, and filters, and have them replaced if necessary. Finally, verify that all parts are securely attached to ensure the vacuum is working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Bissell vacuum that's blowing out dust.